For this job, I need to undo this drop link here. But even with an impact gun, 9 times out of 10, it's just going to spin and it's not going to come off. I'll demonstrate that quickly. See, just spinning. So we're going to need to get a spanner for the nut and an Allen key to hold the middle still to stop it from spinning. I'm using a long Allen key on a ratchet. You don't have to use a long one, it's just the one I had available to hand, and it doesn't even have to be on a ratchet. So just nestle it in there, make sure it's the right fit, and then you're just going to rotate it. But at one point it's going to get firm, and then if you keep trying to force that, you're going to strip the insides out, and then it's going to give yourself a rather large headache. So rather than doing that, what we're going to do is loosen it until there's quite a bit of resistance on it. So we're going to take it as loose as we can until it gets tight, ironically, and then flip it over the other side and tighten it back up a couple of threads. Now take some penetrating fluid and wash all the rubbish off the threads. I'm using a home brew, but you can use whatever you want. WD-40 is just fine. Then start to remove it again. And when you start to feel resistance again, or if you do, swap back over and redo it. You're going to repeat the process. And just keep repeating that process until it comes all the way off. It's just where road dirt and brake dust and everything's built up on the threads. You just need to wash it out bit by bit. There we are. How to remove a drop link without damaging it. Awesome, cheers guys, thanks for watching, feel free to like and subscribe. Cheers, bye.